ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nam ya ka jing shakri ka jongka baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hotari unai lur 8000 ar pusau net foodish ordar mapi ngin wan ra mangi hakhir dob ying jongpi
ka Dr. Mezel Ampareen Lingdo kabalong ka Menteri Jong ka Sorkar Jilla ka Laitrik Urisau Arja Pusau ka la Pynksan halor ka Thung jong Sorkar ya ka MP Barem jong ka Tura ka Agatha Sangma kum ka Chaiperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights halor ka Nongrem ba ka dei ka Bladon ya ka Kerdan Puli ka Babiang pat ka Bala Longru ka Nong Mikmat Pai Ba la pun Telikisnam ha ka jinga keren bagi la pathai ka bor ka Dr. Ampareen kala Ongru bakam dan setia kenu ka Thung kam bahayeng bahasem dak Sorkar namar baka jingjit ya ka kerteng jong ka Agatha Sangma la pensyong nongrem kat kum ka Kerdan Puli bat ka jing syampang ha ka San Hima Sima kum ka MP bat ka MLA Barem ha ka Jilla.
We stand by our commitment. You mean to tell me that we have any other woman who is as qualified as the honorable former MP for this job? What do you mean nepotism? Doesn't performance count? Doesn't experience count? What else do you want? She would be the ideal person for the job. If you ask me personally, I don't speak on behalf of anyone. I speak as a political leader. If there are political leaders with her kind of experience who are willing to still serve the people, where is the harm? Does it really matter whose sister she is or daughter she is? I think the state of Meghalaya is too critical on families which are political in nature. Why, you do not trust that we also have qualification? Tomorrow another politician's child get or another sister get, you will just zero it down on nepotism? What extent you'll take this nepotism to? These are people who are qualified. What do you want us to do? Again, when we bring unqualified people, you'll say they are not qualified. Please sometimes view politicians for their own merit and the ground they stand on. I request the people of Meghalaya not to be unkind like this. Yes, we are a political class. Are you going to condemn us all the time? Are you forgetting the contributions that politicians have made to the state of Meghalaya? And are all of us dumb and without qualification? Why are we not qualified? Please, there is a limit to this debate. Nepotism, nepotism. If people of a constituency choose a particular person for being a child or a wife or a husband of a political leader, why is it such a problem? Why is it such a problem? Why don't you let the political class also have some life? We're also human, you know. We also have an ambition which is directed to service to the state and the people of this nation. Why is it that people are so mean to us? This has to end. Please. I feel very bad, you know. This is very wrong. Have you ever spoken to Madam Agatha? Have you tried to meet her?
She has not joined yet.
Have you met her?
I spoke to her, but she has not joined yet.
So obviously, when there's so much noise being made, who will want to come and join? Why are you throwing out this opportunity of getting an opportunity of her services again? I'm sure, I have no idea. I have not spoken to Madam. I don't know how she feels about this, but I empathize with what she's going through. I'm also the daughter of a politician. So you're going to condemn me? You say I have not done a good job? By the way, we also have to stand for elections. And we have to win the same elections that any other ordinary citizen has to win, okay? Don't write us off like this. It's not fair. Because all of us work very hard to be in positions that we have been in. Person a chance. Or have you already condemned her? Do you even know details? Have you asked? Have you met her? Have you asked her if she's willing to resign, or has she taken up? I mean, look, please don't do this. Not fair. This is not fair. Meet Madam Agatha, let Madam Agatha speak to you. She will be the best person, but if you ask me as a fellow citizen of the state of Meghalaya, I have a feeling that she will perform. She will perform, you know. She's quite correct. Whether or not the manner in which her name has been suggested, whether they have followed procedures, etc., etc. Honorable Minister has already responded to those queries. Am I right? I am not in position to know. I have no idea. I am not privy to that file. I have no idea. But my plea to the people is, through you, please stop condemning us. We are not bad people, you know. We have done so much in our own respective capacities. And to just throw us out of the system and say, we condemn you, is like so painful. I think every politician will feel what I'm feeling. I think every person in the right sense of mind will feel what I'm feeling.